Hello everyone, welcome back to our home barista series. Today I'll be showing you how to pull a ristretto shot, and I'll be using our Ethiopian beans. It's a light roast single origin. You could use whichever beans you'd like. However, I will leave a link down below if you'd like to try our Mount Baker espresso blend, our Shexon blend, or any of our other beans. So we're going to start by weighing out our coffee. A ristretto is typically a 1-to-1 ratio. So I'm going to weigh out 18 grams of whole beans, and the goal is to extract 18 grams of espresso. So it's going to be a short shot that's going to pack a punch. Once my beans are weighed out, I'm going to dump that into the hopper, which otherwise is empty. And for grind size, I typically have mine preset to 5. However, with the ristretto, you want your grind to be more fine, so I'm turning it down to 3. The finer the grind, the longer the extraction rate, because with the ristretto, you don't want it to take 15-16 seconds to pull your shot. You still want it to take about 25 to 30 seconds. And when you're grinding your beans, remember to keep grinding until your hopper is empty and you get all 18 grams of beans out. And as far as tamping goes, remember to use an even amount of pressure that's parallel to the surface that you're tamping on, so you end up with a nice even coffee puck like this. You can tell I'm using a light roast just by looking at the color of the coffee puck. It's pretty light in color and almost a little reddish. Next up, I'm going to put my scale underneath the portafilter as well as my shot glass. And when it comes to pulling your ristretto, if you press and hold on that double cup button, that will switch over to manual, meaning your espresso will keep running until you press that button again. So I did that and pressed my timer at the same time. And you can tell the shot is coming out pretty slow, which is what you want. You don't want it to come out really quick. This is what a normal espresso shot looks like, so you can tell it's coming out quicker. There's more flow to it. But with the ristretto, it's a thinner flow that takes longer. This ended up taking me 30 seconds and I got 18.5 grams of espresso out of it. I suggest stopping it at about 17 grams because it'll go up to about 18 when it's fully done. And that's all there is to it. Let me know if you guys have any questions.